For any student of political history, political economy, and political dynamics, if they compare the period 2004 to 2024, we can see a vertical division between two differing ideologies. As we go into this election of 2024, which marks the end of the 2 decades or 20-year period in which we actually experienced 10 years under Congress led UPA and 10 years under BJP led NDA. And we can compare and contrast these 10 years using all types of metrics and economic parameters, social parameters, developmental parameters, and other fundamental parameters like population growth, literacy, and people below poverty line, percentage of people in urban and rural areas, gender issues, per capita income, and so on, then we can see that the speed with which all these parameters have changed is much more in except economic parameters when we really experience some very higher growth years during 2004 to 2014 as compared to 2014 to 2024. We will see that all the parameters cannot be matched, and in several areas it has to be admitted that the jump was possible because of the platform that was provided during those first 2004 to 2014 years. And in many areas like IT and food sector and all, we see that some of the beneficial decisions taken by the previous UPA government were further carried forward, and which gave India the supremacy now in areas like digital economy. And that is our biggest strength, that 46% of the total UPI or digital transactions in the world take place in India, which is significant for a country with such low per capita income. It is unbelievable that 46% of transactions take place in this country, which is written off as a poor or country of beggars and snake charmers. So it is really interesting that India has taken a lead in this area of ushering in digital economy and digital democracy, and full credit goes to the BJP-led NDA government for ushering in this digital cashless revolution that we see in streets, in markets, and everywhere in India, where people are increasingly using the cashless transfer for digital payment, and it has caught up the fancy of the whole country.